Okay, made some headway again today, just figuring out how to take clip art on Inkscape and transfer it to G-code. So then I modified my holder from the original Sharpie, and I took a paper clip and I made it so it bottom out, and then I put a spring up in here, and then I just locked the lid closed with that so that when the pen goes down on the paper, it can apply some spring pressure and hold it down, and then that way it works good. Anyhow, it works good for like just throwing it together. Okay, so we're gonna try this. So now I transferred that, or I pulled it into Mach 3, and I loaded my pen. Okay, so we'll zero everything out. Zero, zero, cycle start. I'm not a very good artist, so I mean, this is really cutting down on the work here. And you can see as it's going through all of the G-code. There you have a version of Iron Man's mask. All right, take care.